Hello guys, welcome to the world of data science. So till now we have learned about Python, and in that we are learning about data structures and how we can store data in variety of data structures in Python, that is list, tuples and sets. And in our today's video we are going to learn about what are dictionaries and how we can store data inside the dictionary. So without further delay, let's get started. Let's get into the screen and let's begin. So we are going to begin with how we can create a dictionary. So to create a dictionary, it is very easy step. So we will define our dictionary as my dict, and remember when we created an empty set, at that time it was showing us that type as a dictionary. So when we create a dictionary, we give key value pair inside a dictionary. So like key 1, and we give a value to the key 2. Autocomplete is good. So key 3. So yeah, like that we can create a dictionary with a key and its value. So it's like we kind of do the mapping to the key and value 1. So instead of that you can add anything. I am just writing that for example purpose. So we can check here what is the type. My dict. Let's see what is the, let's first see what is the, how it is going to print our dictionary. Let's see what is the type of my dict. So we have successfully created a dictionary. Now we are going to move to the CRUD operations. So CRUD goes for create, read, update and delete. So let's see. So we are going to take example of exam like Chunin exam from Naruto. So we have collected marks of that exam. So Naruto got 23, Sakura got 25, Sasuke got 26, Gara got 23, Hinata got 25. So we have collected all the marks and we have created a dictionary as a marks. We can create a dictionary for anything we want. Basically we create for like a key and its value pair. So here we have created dictionary. So we are going to read the data from our marks dictionary. So how we can do that? So we cannot do similar to the list. Here we have to give the key to get the data from the, we have to enter the key in order to get the value. So let's get marks for Naruto. Here if you try indexing, it is not going to work. It will give us a key error as 0 is not present in our dictionary. If I enter the Naruto word, I will get Naruto's marks and that will be 23. So this way I can get marks for Naruto. There is another way which I can use to get. So it is actually called as a get. So let's see. Marks dot get. I will shortly explain you why we have like two different methods to do the same thing. So here we are getting marks for Naruto by using get function. What we can do, let's try to get someone's mark who was not even giving the exam. So let's try, let's say that Kakashi's mark. Let's try to find, to make it sure that we do not have Kakashi as our key in our marks list, marks dictionary. So let's try to get that value. Here it is giving us a key error. Now let's try the same thing with the get method. Let's see what we get. here we are not getting an error. So when we are going to code in further, in when we are going to reach to the advanced level, at that point of a time, sometimes we want our function to give us the error. So at that time we can use this method, and if you don't want to get any error while executing this, then you can use the get method. So that's why we have two different methods to get the value from our dictionary. You can also get only a list of keys or only a list of values. Let's see how you can do that. So you can do that by using marks dot key, and if you execute that, you will get keys. You can see all the keys present in your dictionary. You can do similar for our values. We can get list of all the values. We can basically typecast this and we will get the list as we want. Let's say that while testing the question paper, as a teacher we did some mistake, or and we have to change the marks that Gara got. And let's say the Gara got 25 marks, but we have given 23 by mistake. So how can we change that? So we can update the Gara's marks by using marks. Then we can give the key, that's Gara, and we can give the new value that will be 25. And when we print, when we get our dictionary, you can see that value marks for Gara has been successfully updated. Or let's say you want to add someone else name in there, you can do the same thing. Let's say we forgot to insert marks of Shikamaru. And he got 30 marks. Let's see if we have successfully added that. As you can see, we have added Shikamaru's marks in our marks dictionary. As you know that Gara is not from the leaf village, so we don't want his marks in our marks dictionary. So how can we delete that? So to delete that, we can use pop method, and we can give the key. Let's see. So Gara's name has been removed from our dictionary. So let's say that you want to remove someone's name randomly. Not randomly actually, it just removes the last added item. So if we use pop item, it don't require any argument to give. We don't have to give any kind of a key in pop item, and it will remove the last added key value pair from the dictionary. So if we see, here we go. So Shikamaru's entry has been removed. So as many times we are going to run this, it is going to remove one by one like that. Let's take our where is that? Let's take our original marks dictionary here from Control C. Let's again take our original marks dictionary that we created, and let's suppose that we want to clear all of the data. So how can we do that? By using clear function we can do that. Marks.clear. Let's say that new generation of Naruto is going to come. Boruto, Mitsuki, those guys are going to give the Chunin exam now. So we don't need this old record, so we are going to use clear here. So let's see what it gives us. it gives us an empty dictionary because we have removed all of the records from our dictionary. Just like a nested list, we can also create a nested dictionary. Let's see how we can create that. So let's say nested dict. So inside a dictionary we are going to have multiple dictionaries like that. So let's say that D1. So D1 is going to be our first nested dictionary. So inside D1 we are going to have some elements. Inside a dictionary we want another dictionary, so we will have some elements like D11, and for that we will have some value 11. Then we want D12. For that we will have some value as 12. For D13, sorry, I have given one more extra here. So we have created basically a nested dictionary. So this dictionary have a dictionary inside a dictionary. As you can see, inside a D1 we have D11. Inside nested dictionary there is another dictionary, so we can have multiple dictionaries like that. See, we can similarly have dictionaries like that. So this way we can create a nested dictionary. So it's basically a dictionary inside a dictionary, and you can access that dictionary's elements in easiest possible way. Let's say nested dict. We will give the dictionary that we want to go. Let's say we want this D22 key value pair. Let's see how we can get that. So first we have to give the dictionary key for this one D2. Then we have to enter into the second layer of the dictionary, and that is our D22. So let's see D22. It will give us the value as 22. So here, as you can see, so this way we can access elements from nested dictionary also. With the dictionaries we can also do packing and unpacking. So let's try that. So as you can see, like at the beginning we created a dictionary as my dict. So we have a key value pair here. What we can do with this, then we can use for loop for key. This is little bit advanced right now. I have not told you like what is the loop, but just for now you give the attention, then we can know. I will explain this in very few days. So by using my dict item we get tuple, and from that tuple we unpack values as a keys and values. Let's see. I will try to print here, print f string for for key we have value like this. Okay, so we can basically unpack, and let's see how it looks. So we can see that for key 1 we have value 1 like this, for key 2 we have value 2. So what we are doing from our dictionary, we are taking out values for keys and its values. So let's try to do the packing. First we did the unpacking, now we will pack two lists and we will pack them inside a dictionary. How we can do that? So let's see. So first we will create keys as our list. So inside that we will give values as key1, k1 as our keys. So we have given the 5 values. While doing this, we have to make sure that we have same number of keys and same number of values. Wait a minute, there should be one more double quote. There we go. So here we are going to have values as also v1. Let's not make any complicated. So like this, we have created our list for keys and list for values, right? So by using these two lists, we are going to pack these into a dictionary. So how we can do that? We are going to use a zip function for that, and we are going to pass down our keys and values inside the zip, and let's say that I'm going to store this zipped object inside some variable. I will say like object here, or I will directly convert it into the dict. I will use the typecasting here, and as a result it will give us the dictionary with the keys as k1 and values as v1, and respective to that till k5 and v5. So that's all for the dictionary, guys. So I will upload this file to my GitHub. I will put that link into the description. Make sure that you go and check it out, because I have given some simple questions to you for your practice. So once you get the hands-on practice, then these concepts will become very fixed in your head. So it will be not difficult to remember these functions and all. Once you practice that, it is going to happen automatically. So make sure you go to Git repository that I am giving in the description, and you solve these questions. So thank you guys for watching our video on dictionaries. So let's see you in our next video with new amazing topic from Python. So till then, see ya and have a great time.